Certainly, organizing your house can be a challenging task, but breaking it down into simple steps can make it much more manageable. Here are 5 steps you can follow. 1. Declutter. Start by sorting through your possessions and identifying what you no longer need. As a rule of thumb, if you haven't used it in a year and it doesn't hold significant sentimental value, it's time to let it go. You can donate, sell, recycle or trash these items. Don't try to tackle your whole house at once. Start with one room, or even one part of one room, and work your way through your home systematically. 2. Categorize. Once you've decluttered, sort what remains into categories. This could be by function, for example, cooking utensils, work materials, by room, for example, kitchen items, living room items, or by any other system that makes sense to you. Remember, the goal is to make things easy to find when you need them. 3. Designate spaces. Now that you know what you have and it's sorted into categories, decide where each category of items should live. This will vary greatly depending on your house and your lifestyle. However, a good rule to follow is that items should be stored at the point of use, or as close to it as possible. 4. Use storage solutions. Invest in storage solutions that will help you keep your items organized. This could be anything from bookshelves, storage bins, drawer dividers, closet organizers, or anything else that will help you keep your things tidy. Ensure that the storage solutions are practical and fit your space and needs. 5. Maintain. This is often the hardest step, but also the most important. Make it a habit to put things back in their designated spaces right after using them. Also, take a few minutes each day to tidy up, or set aside time each week for a more thorough cleanup. This will help prevent clutter from building up again. Remember, organizing your home is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires a bit of effort every day. But by sticking to these steps, you'll have a house that's organized, functional, and a pleasure to live in.